Next, I'll demonstrate pattern 04. Some parts are already stitched, while others aren't yet. Let me demonstrate these unstitched parts. First, the couching stitch. This stitch needs 2 threads. One is main thread, another to secure the main thread. Let me demonstrate. Using 6 strands of color number 6 as main thread. Come up on right side. Pull thread toward left. Then use 4 strands of color number 3 as couching thread. Let's look at fabric, marked with anchor points. Come up at anchor point. Move main thread aside first to see anchor points clearly. Cross over main thread, down opposite. Securing main thread. Let me show again. Come up at anchor point. Cross main thread, down opposite. Secure main thread. One more time. Cross main thread and down. Following these steps, secure remaining main thread. Keep thread tension balanced. Too tight will distort. Too loose will make pattern crooked. First tie off couching thread at back. Pass needle under stitched lines. Wrap thread once around needle. Hold wrapped area with finger. Push needle up. Pull thread. Cut excess thread. Back knot is secured. Take main thread down at end. Also, tie off at back. Let's look at the result. Now let's practice with line below, using 6 strands of color number 7 as main thread. Again, start here. Pull thread left. Then, use 4 strands of color number 4 for anchors. First, come up at anchor point, cross main thread and down. Following these steps, complete remaining pattern. Keep stitch spacing even. For beautiful lines, first tie off anchor thread, then take main thread down at end. Let's look at the result.